You know how RVs come with terrible mattresses, thin, floppy, and pretty much unusable. So we decided to ditch that and reach out to Tochta to find out if we can find a better mattress for our Murphy bed. Some of the reasons I was really interested in this mattress is the fact that people were reporting getting great comfort out of only 6 inches of thickness. We knew that it was built without springs, it was all foam based. And the vertical hinge design actually had a layer of foam in there so that people were reporting that they couldn't even feel the gap between one side and the other. And finally, the fact that they were able to work with us to have this shipped to a location that would coincide with where we would be on our trip was really nice and really hands-on. So we appreciated the intimate customer support we were getting when we talked to them. So when we got to Hinton, Alberta on our big 30-day road trip, we picked up the box and, well, let me show you what we did. We picked up the Tochta mattress. We picked it up at the local UPS access point. That's why we picked it up at a cleaners. They're the local access point here in this small town of Hinton, Alberta. So the idea being is we wanted to order this mattress, but there wasn't going to be enough time for this long 30-day trip. So we decided to have it shipped ahead. You can do this. That's one of the cool things about this Tochta mattress. Once you give them your measurements, they can make it and then ship it to where you're gonna be, and you can pick it up along your way. UPS offers access points all over Canada and the United States. So we had it shipped up here to Canada. Thanks a lot, Tochta, for sending this our way. I should mention they did send this to us for us to try it out. So they didn't tell us how to review it or what to say about it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give us our honest opinion. Now we're gonna unpack it. We're gonna stick it in here. These things are vacuum sealed and vacuum packed, so all the air's been sucked out of them. That's how you can ship a whole mattress in a box like this. So when we open it up, it's gonna have to regenerate to its normal foam shape. Why don't we lower this down? Let's get the old bed out, and then let's get ready for the new bed. And many Murphy beds in RVs are set up like this, where they have a folding mattress. Now this is just our comforter. Let's get that off and out of the way. We're going to pull off our mattress cover. We actually bought a piece of foam, memory foam, when we bought the RV because we thought that might be good enough. It wasn't. It didn't help. The mattress that comes pretty much with every RV, they're just horrible. I heard another YouTuber say that most manufacturers assume you're going to be replacing the mattress, so they don't put a nice mattress in. We've got to get rid of the foam in the mattress. So much for memory. Just stay there. Remember where I put you. Junk mattress. Yeah, the idea is you got to measure your fold and measure the thickness you want, tell them, and they'll make it that thick. We went just a little thicker than this, obviously. What you don't want to do is you don't want to pierce the plastic until you have it in place, or it'll start opening up like an inflatable raft. And I watched a YouTuber do that in preparation for this. It was pretty fun. Oh, they give you a nice little instruction card here. So 1, unbox. 2, position it on the bed. 3, carefully cut the plastic. Using a pair of scissors, carefully cut the outer layer of plastic around your mattress, being careful not to cut the mattress itself. 4, unroll your mattress. If the inner layer of plastic has not been punctured, it should still be compressed. Then you unwrap the final layer and let it expand. It doesn't even say how long, although when I looked online it said minutes. This is so much nicer. For the final flop. Oh, wow. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, I can already feel how it's going to be nice. All right, let's see how it goes. Ready? Go ahead, Johanna. Oh, Lizzie's doing it too. I'm getting in too. Here we go, everybody. All right. Oh, wow.
This is nice.
Oh, wow.
So nice.
I think we might have our first good night's sleep in this bed ever.
Ever.
This will be the nicest bed ever in an
Oh my
RV.
God. Look at this bed. It's so good. Oh, I'm going to sleep in the bed. It's going to be so nice. My back is going to be so good.
The Tochta Custom RV Mattress is a premium product with high-density foam layers, but no unnecessary steel rods and springs. Those are a cheaper way to build a bed, and also a heavier way to do it, which is important for an RV. So we're going to test to see how well does it fold and does it close. Then we're going to put down one comforter, which is what we did before, and see how that closes. Ideally, we could even maybe add a blanket or two because we store all that stuff outside of here, and I would love to free up the storage. Let's see how it works. Ooh, easy peasy. Oh my gosh. Slide it back. Lift it up. Oh, there's lots. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
We went too far.
We could have gotten thicker. We could have gotten thicker, but next test will be when we throw our blankets. Just gonna throw it in here for now. We'll set it up tonight when we get all going. Now let's put this down. I think we might be able to put pillows in here. Like once we put it up and just toss the pillows in. Oh my gosh, this just opened up so much storage. We'll have so much room for activities. Yeah, we still got lots of space. You can actually throw the pillows up here. So you saw me through the pillows in there. Let's see how it does. With room still. I think we can put the other 2 blankets in there. Look at all that space just opened up.
Take that out.
This is like a massive amount of storage. Game changer.
Goodbye, mattress. Bye.
I cannot believe how comfortable this mattress is. It's far and away the most comfortable I've ever been in an RV bed.
You know what's really nice? Waking up to the best night of sleep you've had in the longest time. I just had such a nice night of sleep. Since we picked up the mattress and did this unboxing, I think we've slept in it now around 25 nights or so. And I gotta say, I continue to feel it is the best RV sleeping experience we've ever had. We've had bigger beds, we've even brought in a regular mattress before, but really it just was the most comfortable bed. If you're interested in getting a Tochta mattress, make sure you head over to Tochta.com. Reach out to customer service, ask them any questions you might have, and make sure to tell them Joe sent you. Now, some of the folks on our channel actually have an Ember trailer, and if you've got a 191 MSL, make sure you measure it yourself, but the measurements that we used was a total size of 60 inches by 80 inches by 6 inches. On the right side was 22 inches wide, and on the left side was 38 inches wide. We made sure that the hinge placement was 38 inches from the left, or 22 inches from the right. Again, reach out to Tochta direct. I got the 6-inch model, but if I wasn't going to put any bedding in that Murphy bed, I'd probably go all the way up to 8 inches. But whether you choose 6 inches or 8 inches, you're going to find that this is a far superior mattress than to what came with your trailer. And that goes for whoever your trailer manufacturer is. I got another travel video coming up soon. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get to 25,000 subscribers, and we're getting really close. So if you haven't subscribed, please help me out. Help me get to 25,000 this summer. That'd be awesome. I hope this video earned your subscription. Thanks, everyone.